Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Wow, I look black.
What did he say?
Well, hey guys, it's me again. I've been gone for a few months now.
A few months? It's almost half a year.
Half a year. But yeah.
What's up, Isabel?
Oh shit.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. It's been a long ass time since we recorded. It's finally nice out in Chicago, so that's why
It is nice.
we're backing up and recording because winter was brutal. We didn't really have enough time. I took on a new job. David took on a new job, so we didn't have time.
But we do have a few new things that we want to show you guys. So one, she's finally leaving. She's going to the shop to fix the bumper in the back from the incident that happened. We got a new Miguel's little child.
Yeah, I'll make a full video on this bike once I have rolling videos and all that stuff.
Her name's Rose. And he also got a passenger boat. He'll show you that later. Anyway, the main purpose of this vlog is for she's finally getting ready to be fixed. So after countless struggles, we finally got the car up. We had two strangers help us. Oh, nice. C8. So anyway, we had two helpers. C6, my bad. My bad. I got it wrong. So we had two strangers help us. The first one helped us, but he kind of left in a hurry. Second dude that came, appreciate him. He was swole as hell. So he was able to help us get on the second try. But now finally, it's on the car. Now we're gonna take this to the shop, even though it's kind of late. So that way they can get us a price quote. Hopefully we can drop off the car. And if they do, we'll be good with that. And I gotta pick up my mattress for my room, but it was a hell of a workout. Oh, this is Miguel's first time with a trailer.
Now with a dolly.
So far, so good.
Never with a trailer.
Right there. About to get on the road finally.
Sick.
I'm not gonna lie, I low-key felt like I pulled my back a little bit. Then the car wanted to roll back down, and it took three of us literally to hold it in place and stop the motion to push it back up. Wow.
Yeah.
It's hot. It's hot on a Tuesday afternoon. We got planes, we tried to run the car. If the car was able to run, it would have been so much easier with two people. But sadly, the battery's dead, which it's been sitting, what?
A whole fucking half a year.
During the whole winter, 6 months. So.
More than the winter because.
Oh yeah. Since November. It's just 8 months been sitting. Man. Anyway. We'll hopefully get this to the shop and enjoy the ride.
I'm gonna run to the 7-Eleven right now and get some Red Bulls, and he's gonna try and make it to where I can still pick him up, which I highly doubt it, so I'm gonna just pull over.
So, car is at the shop. No more car on the trailer. So when we were on the expressway, a tow truck guy came up to us and was like, hey, you know,
this strap came loose.
This strap was nowhere near on the tire. So we stopped in downtown. We put it back on. The shop is like a few blocks down. So now I am at my aunt's house. We're gonna pick up my new bedding and frame. No, it's because of the sun.
That's fine.
So we are gonna pick up my new bedding and frame. We're gonna put on the truck, and then after that we're gonna go right to the junkyard because we actually need the bumper, we need the trunk, and we actually need the tail light, so that way they can, you know, complete it. But they are gonna start pulling the frame right now. Hopefully by the end of this week, or in 4 days, we do get the car back. So Miguel's happy, I'm happy, and yeah, more car content coming on the way.